I was in foothills of the Himalayas. Okay, thank you.
He said it is what it is. Well, it is what it is because he is who he is. That's why it is what it is.
Now our great speaker, our partner, who all of these bills we've no.
I'll take Robbie to his.
Where am I?
Right here, sir.
I'm right here. Where hurricanes often strike, like Florida or the Gulf Coast or into Texas, a vital part of preparing for hurricane season is to get vaccinated now.
Oh no!
Everything is more complicated if you're not vaccinated.
You're stupid.
I'm proud to use my authority under the Antiquities Act to establish the, and I want you to know it's a big deal, the Havana-Qua.
No.
How do we get to the place where, Putin decides he's going to just invade Russia? Nothing like this has happened since World War II.
If you want a nominee who will bring this party together, who'll run a progressive, positive campaign and turn this primary from a campaign that's about negative attacks into one about what we're for, because we cannot get reelected. We cannot win this reelection. We can only reelect Donald Trump.
The leader of the free world, the President of the United States. Salute. There he is. And down goes fucking Holyfield again. Correction. The President of the United States drops again for the 47th time this month. You must respect the Commander-in-Chief. At the same time, what the fuck's going on here? This is fall number 48.
He's at the Air Force Academy. He actually fell down. Well, I hope he wasn't hurt. But the whole thing is crazy. You got to be careful about that. Because you don't want that. Even if you have to tiptoe down a ramp, you got to Where am I going? Where the hell am I going? I want to get out. Oh, no, over there.
No.